Oh, what a beautiful place. Yeah, it's 10 to 8 already. I slept late. But it was raining so much last night already. Still raining. So let's see how it goes now in this rainy weather. I think I might be a little bit too warmly dressed. Because underneath my raincoat I've got a warm jacket on. Nice. Jam donut and a cup of coffee. On the water. Peaceful, quiet. Nature. Wonderful. Oh. Nice, man. Just like he took this. Yeah, he took that chatterbait very nicely. Okay, we're on the board at least. Oh, he's a good fish. Here's a good one. Say, good fish. Nice. There's a nice one. Just like nicely hooked up. Say, and there's a proper fish, people. Look at this thing, man. 42 and a half. Look at this, man. I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Lekker on the white chatterbait. There he goes. Oh, good stuff. Okay. Now I'm ready. Ready for the weather. Now it's raining, well. Now it's coming down. But I'm having fun. I'm enjoying every moment here, absolutely. Nog een keer. Nog een mooie 35. Wat zei? Off camera 35. That's it, man. Lovely. It's happening now. It's happening. It's definitely happening. 30. And the reel is making a weird noise. Oh, Enku! Nicely done. Just like, look at that flippin' bug in his throat. Oh hell, now he's throwing everything out. Nee man, don't throw your food out. Pushed it back into his stomach. Don't throw your lunch out here on me, dude. You worked hard for it. Oh, did he chucked it anyway? Yeah, I see a little bug. Ay, so that's what they eat, is bugs on the surface. Hey! Alright. Okay, fighting the elements. Fighting the rain and the wind. But it's worth it. Look at these lovely fishies. Hey, gonna check that split tail of his. And he's biting me. 35. Lovely. Oh, I enjoy this one. I enjoy this so much. As long as there's no lightning, there's no reason not to fish. Yeah. Lovely. Right. Come on. Come on, it's lunchtime. Where's those big monsters? Big monsters coming out for a night of excitement. Just like, there's a flippin' huge fish. It grabbed me right here next to the boat. Shucks. Oh, oh yes, oh yes. Sharks. Oh, yes, like. Look at this thing. Look at this flippin' thing. 50. Yeah, 52 centimeters. Yeah, I must try to take a picture in this weather. Come on. Okay, look at this beautiful fish. Huh? Look at this beautiful thing. Man. Oh, 52 centimeters. Whoa. Awesome. I don't know how the video is gonna look, but sure, this is really battling the elements, but got some strong wind here as well now. Yo, that 152 centimeter one. Oh, that was awesome. Fighting the elements brings great reward. Facing your challenges. The only way to get to good results. And shy away from challenges. Take them on. Difficult in the rain to get anything filmed. Here's another beauty. Oh, this is so much fun, bro. This is so much fun. 37. Big fish. Henko, concentreer op die vis. Oh yes. Nice. This is nice. This is so much fun. Come on. This is so much fun, people. Yo, don't be put off by rain, bro. Late afternoon rain. Get on the water. Okay, now you can basically see nothing now. Damn it. Wow, you can't see anything. Nice one. Oh, I didn't measure it. It's a 40 at least.